my name is David Walker. Welcome to Zen Glass Studios. I opened this studio in 2002 because we needed a place to work here in St. Petersburg. At my studio, you're going to find a myriad of glassblowing experiences from artists from all over the world to classes and workshops for beginners who've never tried glass before. When you come here, you will experience glassblowing at its finest. We have glass artists from all over the world who are here displaying and creating their work. We also have classes for beginners, so even if you've never tried it before, you'll be able to get on the torch and be able to play and make something for yourself. So in our gallery, you'll find glass work from all over the world. You can come in and purchase work from different artists here working in our studio, or you'll also be able to get inspiration to be able to create your own. My favorite thing about being a glass artist here in St. Petersburg is really the community that's formed around it. Back in 2002, there was only my business partner Josh and myself here working. Now we have a whole community of glass artists here, and it's really just a fun and exciting place to work and exchange ideas and create beautiful things. In addition to the studio and gallery here, we also have a beautiful garden space out back where you can have private events or meetings. It's really just kind of a beautiful piece of nature here in the middle of the Industrial Warehouse Arts District. There's a few things here that make us different from all the other glass studios in town. First off and foremost, we are a lamp working studio as well as a hot shop, so there's a little different type of glass making using torches, and we have a variety of equipment. But the main thing that makes us different is that we're open to the public, and we really encourage people to come in and try all aspects of glass making. And we really want the community to exchange and really be involved in our studio in the glass making process. So we have two basic types of glass making. There's traditional hot shop or Venetian style glass work, what most people think of as the hot shop with big steel pipes. Then we also work on the torch, which is a little bit newer way of making glass. They're both very fun. One is more about detail, one is more about large size. But what's nice is that it really opens up the whole gamut of glass making, so there's no limitations. That's kind of back up until now, they've been very separate worlds, and now we've taken down all those barriers, and really we're just about getting the project done. So whatever we have to do, or whatever tools we have to use, if it's a lathe or a torch or a hot shop, we're just about making glass and about making art and having fun. So these are glass cities. So these are kind of the famous ones. Murano, everybody knows, in Italy. And then you have Eugene, Oregon, which was kind of the epicenter of the glass plane work, lamp work movement. Seattle, of course, is Chihuly, and he's also not only famous worldwide, but also very special to St. Petersburg here, being his collection is downtown. And of course, St. Pete is right on the map now, so this is our official Glass City shirt. Zen Glass, we're located here in the Warehouse Arts District in beautiful St. Petersburg, Florida. We're open from Tuesday through Sunday, 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., Tuesday through Saturday, noon to 5 on Sunday. You can contact us. The easiest way is just go on our website, www.zenglass.com. It has all our location and contact phone numbers and a map to get you here. So when you guys want to be creative and enjoy the world of glass, come on down and play with us. We'd love to have you.